Here, one. Here's the first alert. New smart smoke alarm I bought off of eBay. It's a model SA67D. I actually just bought this the same day as I bought the, well, technically the Black & Decker smoke alarm, and as well as this first alert came on the same day. Arrived in mail like almost a couple days ago. There. I already got this kind of thing all set up already. All right, let's just get to the test. Here we go. It's all right. Well, it is kind of not in really good shape. It's in very mid condition. See this part right here, it's kind of rusted out. And actually, the battery I took, the original battery that was in this was actually, it was all rusted out, and so I had to take it out and throw it away. So this is the current battery in it right now. Pretty unique and vintage smoke alarm. Thanks for watching.